Hi everyone. Today we'll explore how MATLAB supports machine learning for predictive maintenance in smart manufacturing. In smart manufacturing, machines are equipped with sensors that generate huge amounts of data, temperature, vibration, pressure, and more. Predictive maintenance uses this data to anticipate equipment failures before they happen. Instead of waiting for a breakdown, companies can schedule repairs in advance, saving both time and cost. This is where MATLAB comes in. MATLAB provides powerful tools for data preprocessing, feature extraction, and model training. Engineers can use machine learning algorithms like decision trees, support vector machines, or neural networks directly in MATLAB. The platform also makes it easy to visualize performance, test models, and even integrate them into real-time systems on the factory floor. The result: manufacturers reduce unplanned downtime, extend the life of their equipment, and increase overall productivity. With MATLAB, companies don't just fix machines, they turn maintenance into a data-driven, predictive strategy. In summary, MATLAB plays a vital role in applying machine learning to predictive maintenance, making smart manufacturing more efficient and reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more tech insights.